everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's video is going to be a mix of fashion and DIYs, the best of both worlds. And we're going to be making these really quirky and cute clay rings. Now with the Y2K fashion making a huge comeback, clay rings are something that have also made their comeback, and how. You'll find websites, you'll find Instagram stores, and trust me, I have seen clay rings selling for as high as 100-200 rupees for one ring on Instagram stores, just because these are super trendy right now. And trust me, you guys will not be able to believe how much money we spent in making these clay rings. I'm going to give you guys 5 seconds to take a guess and tell me in the comments down below.
I'm sick of wasting all my time worried about you.
Okay, were you able to guess? So we made 11 clay rings, all under 10 rupees. I think 10 rupees is just a figure that I have taken to, tell you guys a rough amount. But in fact, it actually took us way less than 10 rupees. And with that, I also have a tiny little announcement to make. So if you guys have been following this channel for a while, you guys would know how obsessed I am with air dry clay DIYs. And I think this is going to be my 4th or 5th video in the series where I make things out of clay, where I do DIYs out of clay. Which is why from this video onwards, I've decided to make this a full-fledged series. I haven't really come up with a name for this series yet, so if you guys have any suggestions for me, don't forget to leave them in the comment section down below. So if you guys want to know how we made this really cute looking rings, then please keep on watching.
All the shit you put me through. Tell me what you want, tell me what you need. Tired of trying just for you to leave. I was so sad.
We'll start with our holy grail, Fevicryl molded air dry clay, and mix the hardener and resin base in equal quantity. Make sure to use some talcum powder to make the process easier and mess free. So first off, I'm gonna tell you guys what not to do so you don't end up making a mess like me. What I tried to do here was to mix the paint beforehand in the clay so I won't have to paint it later. And trust me, I went on adding color to it, dumped a quarter of the bottle. It was all over my hands, everywhere, just not in the clay, so don't try doing it. This is a heads up, you can see it was a miserable fail. So I went on and molded the clay this way. Also try to find something that is the size of your finger. I used a marker and a bottle cap, just ensure it's the right size for you. Now pay attention to the way it has to be molded. I'm going to sort of go in a zigzag. I mean, not exactly, but you'll understand what we're aiming at through the video. Looks a bit daunting, but it's actually quite easy.
And it's time to let it go. Yeah, it's time for me to go over you. 'Cause I'm fine.
Slice off the excess when the ends meet, and without disturbing the shape a lot, mold the 2 ends together into one, and here's the first ring. I made 2 more of these in different sizes and colors, but we'll see those towards the end. This is another design I made by twisting 2 strands together, and how cute is this? So for an upgraded 3-strand version of the same, pinch the 3 strands together and twist it like so.
My friends on the internet talk.
Once you've twisted it enough and as desired, you can either separate it out and make it into different colors, or layer it up as one, how I'm doing here. Again, snip off the excess and add finishing touches to mold it into one.
They say it'll always get better, but I had no one to help me through. At the end, always a
For the next ring, I'm going to follow a pattern like this on the ring. I showed it beforehand since the marker is white and it won't be visible properly. Snip and mold like always, and you're done.
in stone cold. I'm sick of wasting all my time worried about you.
This next one, I really cannot explain it in words, so you're gonna have to follow the visuals on how to make this one. This turned out so pretty and is 100% among my favorites. It looks so delicate but so cute at the same time.
Tell all of your new friends how I am the worst, put on a show. I can't believe I got to write 20.
I'm just walking you guys through the different designs that you can try out, but honestly, the beauty of clay rings is that you can go absolutely crazy with the customizations. Any design, any shape you like, you can practically create any and everything. I will of course share more cutesy designs with you, but I can't possibly show you guys the making for each of those rings. But don't worry, they're just as easy to make.
You put me through. Tell me what you want, tell me what you need. of trying just for you to leave. I was so sad just staring at my phone. Now I'm glad you're gone, I'd rather be alone.
Here are all the rings after they've dried up, and the next step is to, of course, paint them in the color of your choice. I chose pink, purple and blue, and here's how they turned out once we were done painting them. I think the best thing about the Y2K era is how raw and experimental it was, and also how fun and colorful it is even when it comes to accessories. Like I said, I made so many of these, so you can totally try out as many designs as you want. Go crazy with it. If you're someone who likes quirky and fun accessories like these ones, what's better than being able to make them yourself?
Penny, call you a penny in the freezer. Call you a penny, call you a penny, call you a penny in the freezer. No, 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 no. Said it's time to let it go. Yeah, it's time for me to go over you, 'cause I'm fine.
So with that, we have reached the end of this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed making these really nice and cute clay rings. If you decide to recreate any of these beautiful rings, don't forget to share your beautiful pictures on Instagram with me. I will have all of my social media handles linked right here at the bottom of the screen, so you guys can connect with me on social media. And until then, I'll see you very soon with a new DIY fashion or lifestyle video, which is going to come up next Friday as always. Until then, I'll see you all soon. Bye.